This is 148 years old. Same state, Canada. So in the late summer of 1885, this one was hauling coal into Big Top Harbor when she caught a storm in a dense fog just off of Cove Island that we're going to be seeing today, where she actually ran aground on some of the rocks there on the island, water to the bottom of the lake bed. The material the sweepstakes is built out of is white oak, a popular shipbuilding material of the time. You see, if you were to take one of the larger boards from down there and cut it in half, it's still dry in the middle today. Looking off our right-hand side, you can get a view of just how large the sweepstakes really is. And you get a picture-perfect view of her intact railing on the right-hand side, as well as her mast lying on the lake bed today.
Oh my god. You can see that are over the side.
But they left the windlass behind. I guess it was either too heavy or they didn't have enough time to get it off before she sank. Nice view of her railing right now off the right-hand side. Yeah, oh yeah, people get their scuba certifications because these are such shallow wrecks. It's a lot less risky to do it here. Yeah, it's really fun. In the late fall of 1907, she caught fire. Some